You guys already know this video is going to be lit because I, Email. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So this video is very exciting for me because obviously I'm getting to check out another of Samsung products that they've released this year, but unfortunately won't really be using as my daily driver. So yeah, it's kind of sad, but you know, we move. But anyways, we have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in their house. Boom shakalaka. Anyway, I got it in the green version because obviously I got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 back there. That just chills there. That's for aesthetics, looks, whatever, yeah. And I just wanted to compare how green it actually is. Well, what kind of shade of green the Galaxy S23 is with the Z Fold 3. I want to know if they've kept the same shade of green, or they've completely left it and they put a different shade of green in the S23 Ultra. So yeah, that's what I want to be checking out too. That's why I got it in green as well. So yeah, the box on Samsung devices are absolutely beautiful, as you can see. Just looks absolutely amazing. You got the nice little branded logo right there, and then yeah, on the other side too, you got your branded logo there as well too, which is nice, beautiful. And then on the front, you got your nice, beautiful Galaxy logo. I actually like how aesthetically looking that the boxes are now, man. Like it's not just a writing like it was before. There's actually like a little picture there now, which is really nice. I really like that nice little picture there, just for you to know what you're getting yourself into. Anyways, let's peel this back. Peel this one back. Also, I'm gonna be comparing it with my Galaxy S20, my S20, is it 21? Yeah, my S21 Ultra, which is back there charging, and also I'll be comparing it with the iPhone 14 Pro Max as well. So you guys know I've been using the 14 Pro Max for a few months now, a good few months. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, check this out. Let me unbox it with you. Oh my god! Even the box is different. Oh wow! Even the box is different. The box is, oh my god! So it's like it's a weird one. So you open it up, and then you got the box, just the plain box for the phone, and then in this box you have, I believe, a few paperwork. Let's pull that out. Okay. Oh wow. So what do we have in here? Ooh, this is nice. So you got your SIM ejector tool there, which is pretty cool. And then you got your quick start guide, which is right there, and a few warranty paperwork and booklets and all of that stuff that we don't really need to know, but you just got it just in case. And then of course we have the USB to USB-C cable, right? Is it USB? Yeah, USB-C to USB cable right there as well, for obviously charging purposes. There we go. USB to USB-C cable there for charging purposes. And then we got the device here. Let's just pull it out. Look at that. Oh my god. Ooh, tell you what. Oh, I like this. Ooh. Keeps it nice and smooth. That's good. That's a nice bit of rubber texture at the back of that there, so it doesn't move around. That's pretty cool. Anyways, what have we heard? Wow. Feels nice, looks nice, absolutely beautiful. But I tell you what, it weighs a good bit of pounds. I tell you that now. Let me just take the case off my iPhone 14 Pro Max and then just judge the weight. Yeah, the iPhone, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is definitely a lot more heavier, man. A lot more heavier. But yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it's nice. I didn't really get this phone because I particularly liked it like that much, because I'm not really a big fan of the Ultra series on the new Ultra series on the Galaxy range. I mainly brought it just for that 200 megapixel camera because I want to test it out with the iPhone 14 Pros 48 megapixel camera. I just want to see how that holds up, because obviously the Galaxy S22 Ultra just could not keep up with the iPhone 14 Pro Max camera at all. So this has a 200 megapixel camera, so let's see if it comes close to where the performance of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or if Samsung's camera sensor is still dog ass. But yeah, anyways, it's got the pen. It comes with the pen, which is pretty cool. Look at that, nice little pen. Nothing really unique about this pen actually. I was thinking maybe they would have like a Samsung logo somewhere on the pen or something like that. But I mean, it's got a nice matte black finish to it, which is nice. So I'm not complaining about that. But yeah, anyways, comparing the green with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, there's definitely a difference there. Look at that. There's definitely a difference in the green there. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. There's definitely a difference in the green. Definitely a difference, as you can see there. So the S23 Ultra, I feel like it looks more like a olive green color. I don't know what they're trying to do there, but I mean, in both greens, I mean, the Note 3, the green is a bit dull, it's a bit dark. You can't really tell that it's green, which is a bit annoying. But I mean, personally, if I was to go with either of this green, it would probably be the Z Fold 3 green. But again, it's a bit too dark and it looks like it's black, so I would probably go with the S23 green. And it's coming to the actual device itself. Obviously, like I said to you guys, we got that 200 megapixel camera in there. As you can see the sensors all lined up right there. They look absolutely menacing. They look like a beast. And then yeah, everything on the device is pretty much still the same. Obviously at the bottom there you have your charging port right there, then your SIM card injector section, and then the speaker grills, and then of course the stupid pen that they've decided to add in with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra series now, which really hurts me. That's why I decided to go iPhone, because obviously the Ultra series is the best series that Samsung has. When the Galaxy series comes out from Samsung, the Ultra is always the best one, and I always like having the best device and best range devices from Samsung. But then when they started making it look like the flipping Note series, because obviously no one buys this Note series, so they stopped making that. So they decided to make this look a little bit like the Note series, so the people that likes the Note series can still enjoy the Note series design, but on the iPhone, but on the Ultra series. But then the people that like the Ultra series and the way it used to look is a bit disappointed, like me, and it does not look right. And then you got the stupid pen as well. I don't want to be rocking my phone with a flipping pen. Like this phone, yeah, it could be so much more lighter, and it could be so much more lighter and designed a different way and a nicer way to kind of look a little bit like the Galaxy S23 and the S23 Plus, and that's a really nice design on those two phones. But obviously because of the pen, they've had to redesign the phone a little bit differently, and yeah, they came up with this design because it's the best efficient design for the pen. But yeah, that's unfortunately what the Galaxy S23 Ultra looks like now. But yeah, that's been the unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I got to get used to saying that word actually, because yeah, S23 Ultra, S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra. But yeah, I mean, like I said to you guys, I'm gonna do the camera test on it, and yeah. So the button layouts are all still in the same places. As you guys can see, they're all still in the same places. Nothing's changed. It's literally the colors change and the megapixel camera The back is changed, and that's pretty much about it. And what I think has also changed is the fact that the curvature on the device on the side, the curvature it has more like a flat kind of volume to it now. But I'm not too sure. Obviously, I don't have the Galaxy S22 Ultra here to actually compare that. But you can see the side, you can see that the side of the phone, the bit that it curves around is a little bit more flatter than obviously the S22 Ultra. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's for it to feel a little bit more comfortable in your hands while you're using it. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure at all. And yeah, I think, I don't know, but yeah, guys, that's the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And my first impressions, basically. I don't need to turn it on because I know what a Samsung phone looks like. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys stay tuned for the main reason I decided to buy this beast of a phone. Well, I'm talking about just the camera. Hopefully, like I said, the 108 megapixel camera, I hope Samsung didn't work on it. I hope they actually took it out of the picture and actually redesigned a 200 megapixel sensor for the camera. Hopefully that's what it is. If not, then is what it is. But yeah, I can't wait to test out both of these cameras on the iPhone 14 Pro Max and of course on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and of course on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'm very excited, man. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.